So, in terms of our research, cyanobacteria are very interesting. So, cyanobacteria were the original organisms that discovered and evolved oxygenic photosynthesis. So that's a plant-like photosynthesis. The reason, and they actually are the reason why the atmosphere today has oxygen in it. So they have basically, they do the opposite kinds of metabolism of what humans do. And because they are so simple, as I mentioned, this distinction between complex eukaryotes like chlorella or plant and a simple cyanobacterium, because they're so simple, they've had to evolve some interesting strategies to deal with the challenges of being a photosynthetic organism. So we study what those elegant solutions to the problems are. I can't really get too much into the problems; they're kind of complicated. But there are a number of challenges that a single-celled photosynthetic organism faces, and it's interesting because they have figured out many more solutions, it turns out, than plants have. There are possibilities where you could take the best properties of a cyanobacterium. For example, it can fix CO2 much faster than a plant can, and you could perhaps take those special characteristics and engineer them into a plant. We don't do plant engineering, but we study the very basic science details of why cyanobacteria are so good at what they do.